Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Telegram groups. So, open the Telegram app and go to the search menu which is on the top right hand corner. Now you can search for the group you want to be in. So let's suppose I want to be in this group. I'll search for it and then I'll tap on join. Click on this group over here. And then if you want to join it, just click on join. Go to the search bar, simply search for the group name, click on the group, and if it's accessible, you can join it easily. Let me give you another example. I'll search for the group I want to be a member of. I'll tap on the group and then I'll click on join. And there you go, you have successfully joined the Telegram group. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.